Hey love bugs, it's Anissa Lamara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a beachy wand curl tutorial. I just straightened my hair, so I want to show you guys how I curl it. So first I'm going to start with the most important thing is heat protectant. So I'm going to be using the Cheese Silk Infusion. This is what I always use. I love this stuff because it's really lightweight. As you can see, my edges are a little wavy, a little crinkly, a little poofy. So I'm gonna first tackle those. So I applied the Silk Infusion first to my edges, and as you can see, I'm not straightening it all the way down to the end. I'm literally just concentrating it at the roots where I see where it needs to be straightened. So it looks a little funky right now, but just wait on it. Alright, so next I'm going to start with the curls, and I always start in the back just because that's just what I do. And so I'm going to apply the Silk Infusion, and I'm going to take this curling wand. I got it from a coworker, and he let me have it because he's a hairstylist. So I have no idea what type of wand this is, but you can really achieve these curls with any curling wand. They're sold everywhere, the beauty supply store, Target, Walmart, all of that. So you can really get any one of these, but I do love this because it does grip the hair a little bit more, but you still have to apply the same technique. If you haven't done this before, please use some gloves because you will burn your fingers. I've done it a million times, so I kind of have it down to science where I won't burn my fingers. But I'm just taking like an inch or maybe an inch and a half sections and just applying it to the ends and just twirling it. They kind of remind me of like flexi rods, but lengthened flexi rods, if that makes any sense. I would say this takes about 45 minutes. Like, it's pretty taxing because I do small sections. The smaller the sections, the more defined it's going to be. I even wanted it a little bit more defined than this, but I ain't have all night to be in my head film these videos. I wish I would have filmed more in the back so y'all could see the second color. Like in my previous video, I said that this is a color block, and now you can really see it. Like, the back of my hair is my typical ginger red color, and then in the front is the fire engine red, just beautiful jewel toned, very bold red that Rachel put in my hair. And so this style typically will last at least a day or two without re-curling it. But I never re-curl it. I just apply a curling one, not curling one. I apply flexi rods at the end of the night. My nighttime routine is coming up after this video, so stay tuned for that. If I just leave it, my hair will fall. My hair does not hold curls because it's not heat trained anymore. So my hair does not hold curls, but you know what it does do? It frizz. It will frizz up no matter what time of year it is. But thankfully it's cold outside or cool outside, so I don't really have to worry about too much humidity. But yeah, this stuff will frizz up, but it won't hold not a curl. Not all day it won't. Maybe like a couple of hours from now, my hair is going to be like waves, not curls. A mess. And so after, I just take my hands and I kind of comb my fingers through it. And I think I used a wide tooth comb off camera towards the end of it. But as you can see, it's very, very bouncy. It's very curly. It's beautiful. Kind of looks like a wig a little bit. Or like a sew-in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know if you guys like it. Thumbs up. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.